Okay. All right. Welcome to this session. My name is Bukola, and um, I'm also called Oli Crafter. So, since I'll be uploading this on my YouTube channel, I think it'd be nice to make a quick introduction of myself. All right. So, quick one. I just want to explain how this thing works. Okay. I want to explain how Groove works, and I'll log into my account right now and quickly do this quick video. Okay, alright, so this is my Groove account, and to start developing a website using Groove, all you need to do is to come to pages. Okay, so you click on pages, you'll be able to see all the pages you've made before, or check for other pages. Okay, okay, so these are all the websites I have created on this Groove. Okay, it's not very difficult, it's just simple. You can see, let me open this. Okay, I built this using Groove, and I used my domain. Now, there's a bit of difficulty using your domain directly with Groove. Okay, the reason is because of you have to go to your domain to go and start inserting some things. I mean, I don't have that kind of patience. I don't have that kind of time to start worrying. Okay, so I just simply do the little I can do. All right, so now to edit this thing is so straightforward. Let me create a new one now. Let's assume, let me see, I think I saw one nice offer on Max Bounty. I think I would like to promote. Okay, it's work from home. Okay, let me say something like inbox dollar now. I think I don't think I have a landing page for inbox dollar, and I would like to have something like that. I would like to have a landing page for inbox dollar. Okay, so all right, so let me see. Let me search for inbox dollar. Okay, inbox dollar. Okay, I think it should be this. Okay, all right, so I think I'll be promoting more on I think I should be promoting more on social. So I'll go with, so inbox dollar does not accept Facebook traffic. Yeah, they don't accept Facebook traffic. So let me assume that I'll be using contextual if I'll be promoting on Craigslist and something like that. So I'll go with contextual and raw link, and I copy. Okay, of course I really don't need this right now. So I need to see this landing page. Hmm, okay, I need to see this landing page. Let me see if I can save this image. Okay, cool. I think I can save the image. Now, if I save this image right now, I think doing this, I should. Okay, let me save this and copy it on my notepad so I don't have to come back to it anymore. Okay, let me save it on my notepad. Okay, let me save it on there. Inbox. Excuse me. Okay, so save it here. Okay, all right, so let's quickly see how this will play out. Okay, um, I'm looking for the picture I just downloaded to be sure it actually downloaded. Okay. Yeah, this is okay. So let's create a new page for that inbox dollar now. Quickly, within the next 10 minutes. I want us to finish this video. Okay. Okay. So there are ways to go around it. So let's say we want to start a new page. We go to Groove Pages, and then we go to new sites, and then we can use the existing site. We can actually clone the sites. What I did in this place, if you can see that they are the same thing, I just come here and I clone this side and I will edit it. That's how I did all of these ones here. Okay, however, I can decide to start all over again. I can decide to start all over again. I think this thing is all opening up. Okay. Okay. So for us to create a new page, I think this is what you did before. You can create it from scratch, and you can also use what's it called, the templates. But starting to create from scratch, I have to come here and drag all these things in. It's just always too stressful for me to do before I start bringing up all of these things. So I just go to pages, I do this, then I go to templates, and I look for which templates will suit what I want to do. Okay, so we can use any of these templates. I think I like this. This should work very well for inbox dollar. Okay, it should work perfectly well for inbox dollar. So let's see how we can use this to our own benefit. So this is what inbox dollar looks like, and there's a lady on that other one like that. So all we need to do is to look for this background and to get this color, and then to have something like this. Well, this will be a content. You can just make this content, then sign up for free. Okay, so we can get this right now. Why is this thing taking too long to work? Alright, so it has shown up now. So all we need to do here is we remove this one. Now I was telling you then that to remove this thing is very simple. Just come here, tap on this place like this, and you see this, to take it off, confirm. This same thing too, you see, just take it off, confirm. Here, see it, take it off, confirm. Okay, so you take it off. Okay, take it off, confirm it like that. Okay, here too, can take it off, confirm it like that. I like leaving this. It's not bad. You can leave this, but let's take this off. We don't need this. Okay, confirm. You can try to put whatever you want here. Let's see if we can confirm this. Cool, perfect. So this is very okay, so that these people that come to this landing page will see that it's a 2020 landing page. This is cool. So on the inbox dollar, they said earn cash, not points. Join now and earn dollar sign up bonus. Members have earned over for 3 naira for $3 in rewards too. What's this? So let's just do it like so. Let's get this background color, or we can even leave this. We can leave this like this. Just change this. So let's look for images of inbox dollars, inbox dollar logo. Okay. So we can just do something like this. I just like making my stuff look very professional. Okay. So this is a very good logo. Let's see more formats. Yeah, this is better. Let's see if we'll still get more. Okay. Yeah, this is the usual one we are used to. Let's see if more will come out so that we can. Okay, let me put logo there. I thought it was login. I was trying to say. That's why we're not getting the right requests. I don't know what's wrong with my network tonight, so we can just simply save this one and then come to Canva, so edit it. So let's check what the size is here. Okay, so you can see the size 175 by 40 pixels. Okay, so we can come to Canva to do 175 by 40 pixels. Okay, so this we just downloaded here. All you need to do is drag it to Canva. Okay, so just drag it to Canva. Meanwhile, I really don't know if we should let's see if to match the screen. Let's check. Or maybe we should just remove the background remove the BG first. Let's see if the background can be removed. Okay, so see if we remove this background. Yeah, perfect. So let's download this. Oh, great. So you can easily just drag this here. Yeah, great, perfect. So we can have this inbox dollar can just look like this. Yes, this is perfect. Alright, so this is perfect. So what we just need to do, we can call this inbox dollar logo. So you can just download this with transparent background. Then we'll take this here, so our groove for now. So just choose image and yes, just drag this here and you upload. So my internet is quite slow, so I have to take it and you select it. Okay, this will automatically leave. Can update that like that. Perfect. So boom, that goes right there. So you can just say something like you home how you, so it's so you can say, you can look at that image that will say earn cash not points, earn cash not points, sign up now for a free $5 gift happy and get paid. So feed me a few details and about you. can say, okay, let's do it. Sign up now. So sign up now and get paid to fill a few to fill a few information about you, read emails and get paid. Your PayPal free bonus. You can now say under this free bonus, you can now say get $5 instantly after you sign up now. So this give me just come to configure and tell me, let's see what was written on inbox dollar. Sign up for free. Okay, sign up free. I won't like that because, okay, that's fine. Sign up for free. So update that. So let's put our link right there. So this is URL. Then you come to where did we save that? We saved it here, and we can just copy our inbox dollar link, put it right here. Okay, so you update this. If you want the stuff to, when you click on this link, you want to go to a new tab, and you say open a new tab. All right, so that is saved. Then you can save it also here. So because inbox dollar has green and orange colors, so I would like to leave this as orange and make this as green. So I want the background here to be green, and when I hover on it should be orange. So we can do something like background is this color, but I want it green, so I can choose this green color. Let's see how green this is. It's a very light green, so we can just choose this light green. Okay, let's say this is okay. All right, so this is fine. So let's see if we can also fix the border here. Okay, with this, can this turn green? Let's see if this can turn. Let's see if the border has any color or has no color. Okay, so let's make the over. When you over on that, it's turning to a hash color. We can also fix this to change it. Okay, let's see what the background is green, and let's see the over should be, what's the over, its color, so we can make it orange. Okay, I really don't know why these people do, if you want to get more colors and see something like that, if you want to get more colors without stressing yourself, all you need to do is to install. I've actually uninstalled them. You can install color filler or something, color, let's say Google extension store. Google extension store. Okay, I used to have that color filler. Let's see if I can still get it. So with that color stuff, you can easily just let me see if we can get that color. I can't remember the name. I really can't remember the name, so just to save the time on this video. So when you get that color stuff, if you hover the color on any area of any website, you can easily get the color code and you come and paste it. You can just simply paste it here. Okay, so you can just paste it here. So since the colors here are actually very limited, so I wish we get this particular color, but apparently that color is very difficult to get. All right, let's see if we can, I don't know, let's leave it that way. Since this color is difficult to get, let's leave it that way. Okay, all right, so our link is still there, and that is it. So our landing page is perfectly done and it's ready to go live. No big shit, no bullshit. It's ready to go live, no BS at all. So you save this. Now, for it to go live, all you need to do is come to your publish and you say, oh, now this is super deals. I wouldn't want this to be super deals because um, I want this to lead me into a different, because this is super deals. I'll prefer this to sound as survey. So I prefer this as surveys. Okay. Surveys does not really matter because I might decide not to even use their landing page. But just let me show you how their landing page was. Okay, set. You can, oh, it's not available. It's not available. Oh, it's not available. Let's try survey. See if survey will be available. Okay, survey is available. Okay, so this can be inbox dollar. Okay, so if I decide I want to use theirs, I can use theirs like this. So when you hover here, you see once you click this link, it takes you to what it looks like. So you see now we have survey.groovepage.com slash inbox. That's what it's supposed to look like. Okay, it has not propagated. That's why it's not yet showing here yet. But very soon it will show. It takes a little bit of time. However, if you don't want to go with their groovepages.com rubbish, all you need to do is just come here and again you need to edit the site settings. Very important. We can do something like you can call it super sweeps, or we call it super survey. Super surveys better. Okay, let's call it super surveys. Okay, we can leave all of these as is, and we can also come to pages. Okay, I think we are on page 2, so we can edit the settings of these pages. Yes, we're on page 2. We can call this inbox dollars, or we call it surveys, and say something like inbox dollar. So we can call this inbox dollar get paid to read, or get paid today. Okay. Okay, so you can try to put your social share and put this inbox dollar there if you want to, but it's okay for me this way. So all I need to do right here is this saying page 2 there, page 2 URL. Okay, we can call this page 2 URL and put it here. Okay, name. Okay, let's try this. Probably because of the hyphen. Page title survey, super survey. Let's see if this goes through. No, it has refused to go through. Alright, so let's see if this thing has propagated now. Let's see if it has propagated. I really don't know, this green looks too bright. Let's make it a bit deeper. Okay, so let me see the background. Let's make this green a deeper green. Yep, boom, that works for me. Okay, so I can publish this. So I can decide to just simply export site. Okay, that export site means I'm just going to download this site of 2. So I can easily just go to my yes, to my cPanel and upload the site there. And how do I do it? All I need to do is to simply go into my cPanel and try to edit it there. Okay, I'll upload it simply there. Alright, so I think we are here now. So to actually put in to upload the website, you just need to come to your file manager on your cPanel, and then you go to your public HTML, and you can see I already have my affiliate folder there already. Okay, so I have affiliates again. I built that folder. So this is my max bounty offers. That's what that must be meant there. So this is for my own, as one offer I'm promoting, and then I can create the one for surveys now. I can call this for surveys. Okay, okay, so for surveys, and here I can have my survey. I think I'll prefer to have another folder. It's that folder that will now carry inbox dollars. Okay, so this will carry inbox dollars. So it is here I will now upload the file. So I'll upload it here. So I have opened a lot of stuff on my laptop, so it's just going to be a bit slow. Once I'm done with this video now, okay, I'll fix everything up. Okay, so let me see the name we called that. Okay, site 2. So you just have to type in site 2, then we open it here. Okay, so 100%. So let's come here and refresh. Now we have to unzip this file. Okay, to unzip it, all we need to do is you can either right click and extract it, or you come here and extract. So let's extract it under inbox dollar. So you say extract file, that's all. You close it. Okay, you reload. You see you should have all of them here, right? So we don't need this file, and we don't need, so this is one we extracted, so we can delete, we can just simply delete this one here. Okay, and delete them permanently out of place. Okay, so we don't need this one too, so we can delete this out of there. I really don't know if this will affect anything, because that's supposed to be okay. Let's check something first. We don't know if it's supposed to affect anything, but let me see. Let's test something first. Let's see if it will affect anything, because index.html is supposed to be the home page. So, but let's see what happens here if we do it this way. Okay, so let's copy. You copy out the links here. You know, if you look at this very well, you see we have the Yasmin public HTML affiliate. This first affiliate here is my subdomain. I created a subdomain, then I created more pages. This is the first folder: affiliate, mass bounty, then surveys, then inbox dollar. So I copied from this affiliate because this is my subdomain. So this is how it's going to be. It's going to be as I can copy this and dump this first. Let me paste the one we did first here. Meanwhile, then I have affiliates dot Yasmin affiliate. Okay, Yasmin limited.com slash. So let's see what this will receive. All because that index, I knew that it will have problem because of this index. You know, the problem we had here is just, let's see. Okay, okay, let's reload, let's re-upload that file. You see it work perfectly now. The reason why it didn't work like that was because I did not create the page on its own from that groove. Okay, I created the page from, I didn't create the page from directly from this from I didn't create the page directly on its own. I created it from the first page from here. You understand? I created from I just came here and I pressed plus. So if you press plus here to be this will be the top, then I came here and I chose the template. That was wrong. I was supposed to choose the template and start all over again. I guess that was where the problem came from. So if you are doing it and you are doing the same, just follow the way I have done it in this video. It will still work. Okay. Sites. So you see that when we upload this and do exactly the same way, it will work without problems at all. Okay, so let's delete this first. Okay, alright, so reload it. You should have the folder here already. Okay, this is it. So we can extract now. Okay, extract here. Let's delete. Okay, so let's reload this and then delete this out. Alright, that's good. So let's try the same stuff all over again. It's definitely going to work. Now this is the problem. You see what I was saying then? Now how to go to the next page is going to be a problem because I built the site on that particular page here. Where is it? This page. So this is the one that is going to come up. Now this page, so okay, let's set it as home page. Okay, let's set it as the home page. Okay, let's set it as the maybe I download it and see what will happen. Let's save this, publish it. Let's see if even what we published here is even working already. Okay. Okay. So we set it as the home page now. Index.html is supposed to be the home page. So this is now our home page. Let's download it and see if this will work as expected. Okay, site 3. Let's try this. Okay, we just keep trying things in the best way we can. So let's delete this one's out and then upload. Let's upload. Okay, site 3. Okay, so let's close this, close this, close this. Okay, so reload it and let's extract it. Okay, so we've extracted it. Let's reload it. Delete this out first. Okay, so since we made that let's try to refresh this. For you not to have this not secured, just put your HTTP head here and we shouldn't have that anymore. Okay. Yeah, can you see we don't have it anymore here? Okay, cool, perfect. Now this is exactly what we want to see. We're good to go right now. So when anybody takes this, it takes them to inbox. So let's try this and see. Let's put this on Epic and see if this will not waste our time. Okay, so I copied that link. Let's test it on our Epic. Are we in the United States? We have to be sure that we are in the United States. Alright. We have to be very sure we are in the United States. So what's wrong? Okay, cool. That was in Germany. I guess that's why our account is in Germany. Okay, so we're in the United States now. So my laptop is misbehaving tonight. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. How an American will see this on their website, okay, or on their browser. This is how they will see it. So you can see it. You see what we edited in inbox dollar get paid today. Cool. Now this is how they will see it on their website or on their browser rather. Alright, so I have a very slow laptop today. Okay, so this is exactly what they will see. Are you home? I would love to make some money and cash not points. Sign up now and get paid. So fill in a few details about you, read emails and get paid in your PayPal. Free bonus, get $5 instantly after you sign up. Sign up for free. So straight to the point, okay? This is very beautiful, very nice, and this is going to definitely convert. This is definitely going to convert. Okay, very straightforward. This is definitely going to convert. So now when people click sign up for free, it brings them to the page. And as you can see, we can get started already with this. So we just need to put in an email, confirm it, and we're good to go. And you get into your Payoneer and start dancing to your bank account. Alright, so this is the end of this video, and I hope you understand how this works. I wish you all the best. Have a lovely night rest.